Sawadee Cup. Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and this is another episode of E30 Fix. In this episode I'm gonna fix the fan. The fan speed doesn't really work. Got a little box of my goodies. Oh, I got these from a fan. Shout out to Richard. And this one is the one that we need. This piece right here is a resistor. I got some grease. It's struggling to turn on number 1. I just need a new blower motor now. And it is fixed, guys, but I still need a new blower motor. I'm not gonna get it soon because I'm gonna work on other things first. And so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it and find this helpful. Thank you and have a nice day. Sawadee Cup.
Yeah.